Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Google account is correctly signed into the device and that drive has enough space for the backup. Once done, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. This is where you'll take control. Make sure backup to Google Drive is enabled and pick a frequency that fits your needs. You'll also choose the Google account to store backups and toggle whether videos are included, because videos dramatically increase storage use. Now you drill into the detailed settings, select the exact Google account, and decide if you include videos since they can spike usage. Then set network constraints, choose Wi-Fi only to avoid cellular charges, or Wi-Fi and cellular if you need immediate backups. Next, force a manual backup to confirm permissions, connectivity, and that drive receives the file. If the manual backup completes, scheduled backups will follow the same path. If it fails, the error gives finish by confirming the backup appears in Google Drive under Backups or Apps WhatsApp and check the timestamp matches your manual run. When restoring, make sure you use the same phone number and Google account and that WhatsApp is updated. Mismatches block restores. If something goes wrong, clear WhatsApp cache, regrant drive permissions in Android settings, and run another manual backup. If errors persist, check drive storage, reboot the phone, and repeat the backup to resolve transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.